Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your PDF files to other formats using Adobe Acrobat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly convert your PDF into a Word document, PowerPoint presentation, image, or even HTML, making it much easier to edit it, share, or repurpose your content however you need. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open the PDF file that you'd like to export, right within Adobe Acrobat. So make sure Acrobat is installed and opened up. Then simply locate your PDF, either by using File, Open from the main menu, or by dragging and dropping the file directly into the Acrobat window. This gets your document ready to work with. Acrobat needs that file open before you can do any exporting. Once your PDF has loaded, look up at the top menu bar and find the Tools tab. Click it, and you'll see a range of options, but we're looking for Export PDF. If you don't see Export PDF right away, here's a tip. Check the right-hand pane. Adobe often puts handy shortcuts there, so the Export PDF tool should be visible and clickable on the side. Just give it a click. Now, you'll see a list of formats that you can export your PDF into. Adobe Acrobat is really flexible here, so you have choices like Microsoft Word, .docx, PowerPoint, PTX, several different image formats like JPEG, TIFF or PNG, rich text format, and even HTML. Take a moment here. Think about how you plan to use your exported file. If you want to edit text extensively, Word is a great option. Need to build slides for a presentation? PowerPoint is your pick. Maybe you just want to extract images for use elsewhere, so JPEG or PNG could be the way to go. The format you choose will depend on what you need, so don't rush. Pick the one that matches your project. Next to each format, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is where you can adjust export settings. It's particularly useful if you want more control over things like image quality, document layout, or which pages to export. For example, if you're exporting as a Word document, you might want to choose whether Acrobat retains the original layout or converts it to flowing text. Don't be afraid to click the gear and peek at those settings. Sometimes a small tweak here can save you tons of editing later. You're almost done. Once you've chosen your export format and set any options you want, click that big Export button. Adobe will then prompt you to choose a location to save your new file, as well as a file name. I recommend picking a descriptive name so you'll find it easily later, and saving it somewhere you'll remember. Maybe your desktop, or a dedicated folder for converted files. At this stage, Acrobat will do its magic and quickly create your new document. If you're exporting a large PDF, this part might take a few moments, so don't worry if your computer seems to pause. That's perfectly normal. And there you have it. Your PDF has now been converted and saved in the format you chose, ready for sharing, editing, or whatever comes next. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I read every single one and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.